Hello everyone, this is Wilson. Welcome back to my mini presentation. So today I'm going to discuss the terms of spinning reverse in the electric generation or electric supply. So let's get started. So the definition of spinning reverse is that the power grid can maintain the power output at the required level when an emergency situation happened. So power generator broken or the failure of the power generation is one of the emergency situation. So let's take a look at the generator example which is shown here. So let's say this generator, the rated power is 10 kilowatts. So in some normal situation, the power output of this generator should be 8 kilowatt, or it can serve 8 kilowatt load in a normal situation. So the remaining 2 kilowatt is act as an reserve energy, or act as an reserve power for an emergency situation. So let's take a look at this example. So let's say we will have 3 10 kilowatts generator. So the total power generation of this setting is 30 kilowatts. So the free generator is connected to the free load. You can imagine those loads maybe is a building or a industrial factory. So each load will consume 8 kilowatt at this moment. So what is the spinning reverse at this system? So the spinning reverse equation can be defined by the total capacity, the total power capacity of the generation, the electric generation, minus the power capacity consumed in the load side. So in this case, we will have 30 kilowatts power generation and 24 kilowatts load. So we will have 6 kilowatts unused capacity in these cases. So this unused capacity can be used for additional load. So let's take another example for the emergency situation. Let's say one of the generator is broken. So now we will have only 20 kilowatts electric generation. So in this case, the 20 kilowatts is not enough to deal with the 24 kilowatts load. So we will have two solutions. So the first one is overload the first two generators. So each generator will have to generate 12 kilowatts to serve 24 kilowatts load. So, but this is not good for the generator, because if you run the generator, if you overload the generator will overheat. So we cannot overload the generator for a long time. So we have to adjust the load or shut down some of the load to maintain the required or the rated power of the generator. So we will have another solution to deal with this situation. Maybe the power utility will have a battery to act as an backup electric supply, so that we can have more time to adjust the load or just fix the generator or replace the generator within a short amount of time, maybe let's say 30 minutes. So this is the end of my presentation. So this presentation is just practicing my presentation skills on how to talk about and definition of the terms and give a little bit example. So there has another YouTuber to discuss the terms of spinning reverse in more details. I will put the link in the description so that you can learn more, or you can have a more clear explanation from that YouTuber. So thank you. This is the end.